We are now quite familiar with this query, right? Select book underscore ID title from book. Let's assume we have a need to restrict the result set. For example, we need to know that the title of the book whose book underscore ID is B1. Relational operation helps us in restricting the result set by allowing us to use a clause where always requires a predicate. A predicate is a condition that evaluates to true, false, or unknown. So, for our need, we shall use the where clause with the predicate book underscore ID B1. Take a look at the query that we have used. Select book underscore ID. The result set is restricted to just one row, whose condition evaluates to true. We saw an example which used the comparison operator equals to. We have other comparison operators that are concluded by the relational database management system. Here is a list of them. Equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. You can try out these different operators yourself to know how they work. Relational database also allow us to limit the number of rows we want to view, although the result set may have many records to return. We use fetch first now only. This is a clause that restricts the result set. The example, select book underscore ID title from book. Fetch first 2 rows only will restrict the result set to just 2 rows. We can use Boolean operation and to further restrict the rows by supplying multiple conditions. Both predicates are called qualifying rows. Note that the order of the predicate does not affect the result set. Select book underscore ID title from book where book ID the B% and title like getting. You might have noticed the character here in this example. We shall revisit this particular character in a 4 slides.